Carolina state leaders finally compromised on a 2-year budget more than 70 days past its due date. WNCT's Brandon Goldner is here to break down the budget. And Brandon, one of the hot button issues everyone is talking about is education.
Well, it's interesting, Angela. Despite all those hours spent negotiating, legislators really maintained the status quo. They will increase school funding by $410 million. However, money for teacher assistant funding remains the same as last year. Driver's education funding, that was also consistent. That was actually facing substantial cuts. And good news for teachers early in their careers, they'll actually see a $2,000 pay hike. Now, there's a caveat to this funding. Local school systems cannot divert TA and driver's education money to fund other things as they've done in the past. I spoke to people in several school systems who would not comment until they got a chance to review this budget. Greene County Superintendent Dr. Patrick Miller also needs to go through it, but he likes what he's seeing.
Well, I'm relieved that the General Assembly has reached a budget deal. It will give us an opportunity to finalize our budgets for the 2015-16 school year.
Other highlights from the budget: state leaders plan to cut the personal income tax rate while expanding the sales tax to include other goods and services. Now, we're still waiting for the full budget to be released online. We're also keeping an eye on funding for both the Brody School of Medicine and mental health in prisons. We'll keep you up to date on what's in this budget on air and online. Brandon Goldner, 9 on your side.